Hello, welcome to Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we will learn how to design diamond shape or gemstone. So first of all, take a rectangle, press shift and hold, and then control C and control F, and then press the shift key and hold to the 45-degree angle. So take line segment tool, align to the center and drag it down, and then control C and then control F, then again shift and then drag to 45-degree, then again control C and control F, then again drag it. You can also check this by arranging or aligning this. So vertical align and then horizontal align. So control C and control F. Now we have all the corners perfect. And go to the circle tool, we can say it ellipse tool, in the center, press shift and drag it to the corners, right? So take a pen tool or click here and then click here, press escape so that this line can be removed, selection tool and click on this line, press shift and increase the size. I'm here, press shift and increase the size. Control C for copy and control F for paste in front, and then shift and then rotate. So you can also arrange this, align like so. We have everything in the perfect manner. Select these lines, again control C, control F, rotate it to the 90-degree angle. So we have a shape. If you press control Y, you will see the total work like this, and you can edit and make changes easily. So take a pen tool and click here, then press escape, click here and then like this. So like this. Repeat the process. Same process. Same process. Same process here. We have a shape. Sorry. So if we see in this diagram, we have a difference here. So click here with direct selection to move to this point. So like this. You go to pixel like 10, click again. Okay, perfect. So again we have the whole diagram, right? So Okay, like you see that we have a diagram. Select the whole shape, click on the shape builder tool, press alt and remove these lines.